mantra.
So welcome back to my channel. So I'm here right now with Anna Victorino. So I just joined her makeup class. So that's hashtag
AV Masterclass
2000. Yes, 2018. So I really learned a lot kahit na nalate ako. So I was late. Yeah, I was late for 30 minutes. But you know, support to Anna V, 110% ako dyan. So I was watching. Yeah, I was watching kasi your vlog ever since. So even 5 years ago. So parang si ikaw and yeah, and ever since. So parang you see the vloggers in person and now you're vlogging. So it's the same like alam mo yun yung history that we're going through right now, and then when you started and then until now you're successful. So yun lang yun. And thank you so much for sharing it as well to everyone. At least may knowledge na rin ako in terms of doing. Kasi medyo ganun pa rin naman ako in terms of the makeups and stuff.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anna. And next time for sa ating third meet up.
Yes. Bye!